We are on day 2. We have the GoPro out now, so the audio may be a little bit worse, but we have the boys. We're getting fuel, which is surprisingly already done. We're gonna hit some mountain roads today, and I guess we're leaving. So let's see where we're headed. Where are we?
We don't know.
Okay, so we're somewhere in the mountains. We have the cars here. We have not been cutting the mustard.
But the guy in front of us was fucking.
Yeah, the guy in front of us was.
Oh my god, please don't fall.
And
Yeah.
like,
There's no stopping me going nowhere, bro.
look at it. This is an amazing view. Look, this nigga just goes this.
Bro, right here. Oh, yo, look at this.
Daniel, please.
Antonio, go back right now. Watch out, come
Oh,
on.
look at this.
I
bro.
know.
Is it like, is it a sharp pedal?
Wow.
So,
This is.
I know.
Wow.
Bro, look at all that.
Don't do that far.
No, you could go up to. Oh my god. You could go up to here. Look, don't go here, okay?
What's that? Okay, come.
Yeah. All right. See you later.
No, listen, Josh said that to me. There was one place where I was terrified anyways. He noticed that there was a curve this high or whatever, like a barricade.
Yeah.
And there was a spot you could land on the other side.
Yeah, I don't
He
wanna-
stood on there and jumped over. I knew it was
What's he trying to do?
She's gonna get hot as fuck, though.
I didn't know that.
I guess.
Yeah. Your chart sets are gonna be.
So far down.
Bro, this is.
You love it?
I love it.
This is unbelievable. Like, I've seen this in like Discovery Channel and shit. You feel me? So now it's like, yo, like,
It's real.
wow.
Like, look over there. There's like houses. Like, people live like in those mountains.
First of all, I was just telling her, I'm like, listen, like, I understand like in Florida because everything is like plain, right?
Yeah.
But here, you
It's
recording
not.
me? Like, you literally have people who said, I'm gonna go build my house up in that I'm like, what the hell? Like these people live in, like on top of mountains and shit.
But like,
and shit.
we were talking about another
There goes Andy. Trying to find some bears.
Andy!
What? Oh my god.
He's trying to find a bear.
The baby bladder over there.
Oh, he's with
what were we
Josh?
talking
We've
about?
all seen a bean.
We were talking about how, like, in Florida, you know, we have beautiful beaches.
Yeah.
But we lived in Florida so long, it's not, we don't appreciate them. Because
Right.
I don't go to the beach.
Right.
But like here, we were talking about how like people that lived here their whole lives, this is just like
their
normal.
backyard.
Yeah.
And to us, we're
And
like,
bro. Soon we're gonna be over there.
Over where?
You see that corner? That corner?
Yeah.
Yeah.
oh my god, I'm gonna vomit. Ugh.
Like this is.
Or down there. I don't even know if the camera can pick that up, but
I don't know. Like this is.
there's the lake, bro.
My hands are.
I'm gonna get my camera, but this is surreal. Like this is. I don't even know how to explain it.
gorgeous.
Yeah, well, you better get your camera, bro.
Yeah.
Or I'm already beating you. You got yeah.
On my way.
Winning.
I'm not uploading while I'm here.
Just don't go too far, okay?
Maybe we're gonna take a picture.
Oh my god.
Somebody take a picture of us.
Yes, here.
You ready? truck's cutting the mustard, goddammit. So the little clip that you saw was from Foothills Parkway. We used a GoPro today. I want to use this camera more, but it seems that the lens is not wide enough, or it's not really working out. So tomorrow I'm gonna try a combination of both, but the main focus is again to bring something to you, to entertain you, and to bring attention toward not just the business but every outlet that we have. Tomorrow we're going to the Tail of the Dragon, and apparently there's going to be some exotic cars, so hopefully we can get some awesome shots. Outside of that, the car's doing really, really well. Tires are awesome, brakes are awesome, even if they do squeak, totally worth it. And like always, guys, it's not over until you win. Video number 2, Tail of the Dragon tomorrow. See you then.